'Cause there is no guarantee. Oh, ayaw talaga magpaawat. SawadeScah! What's up mga kaVogue? This is Scarlet and welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, good morning. Kakagising ko lang guys and medyo mainit today. And I decided na mag-film ako ng vlog kasi I wanted to share to you, since sharing is caring, yung morning routine ko pag feel ko na kailangan kong mag-glow up. Let's show the world how to glow up. Lalo na when I woke up, I saw my face was quite puffy and medyo oily siya. And then ayun, medyo haggard tignan. So we need to glow up guys with egg and coffee mask. So basically guys, ang kailangan lang natin sa mask natin this morning, 1 piece of egg, 2 pieces of Nescafe Classic. If you don't have this kind of coffee, you can have any coffee at home na available, and just probably 2 teaspoons of it. And then we need a brush to apply the mask on our face, and of course we need a fork to mix the ingredients. So guys, ang pinaka-kailangan lang natin sa egg is yung egg white niya with this coffee. So, in-mix ko lang siya. Ayun. So, hindi ko na ipapakita sa inyo kung paano mag-separate ng egg yolk at egg white. Kaya nyo na yan siya, guys. Ang pinaka-benefit ng mask na ito, guys, is basically to tighten and brighten your face. Yun ang pinaka-main benefit niya. The coffee acts as a facial scrub, and when it acts as a facial scrub, it removes excessive oil on your face, excessive hair, pwede din siya. And then if this mask is very perfect for you if you have blemishes on your face like me, na dumaan ako sa napaka-worst acne before. And if you haven't watched that acne experience of mine, I'm just going to put the link somewhere here or in the description box below so you can check on what I did and what products I used. Ayun. So, i-mix lang natin siya guys. Just mix it well na hindi siya magbuo-buo. Para very sticky siya and meron siyang consistency when you apply it on your face. And this is very perfect in the mornings, especially when you really wake up with a puffy face. And if you want your face to look nice and firm throughout the day, then this mask is really perfect. Sometimes I have this chilled in the fridge like 2 to 3 minutes before I apply it. Pero kung nagmamadali ako, like may pasok or may lakad, hindi na. Kasi in terms of effect, same lang naman siya. You can further mix it using the brush para mas magiging refine ang kanyang mixture. Kaya siya perfect in the mornings kasi you can do this mask and let it sit on your face for 10 to 15 minutes, and then after that you take a bath. So dire-diretso siya guys. Okay, let's now apply it on my face. Of course, I need a mirror. Apply ko lang siya sa face ko. Okay guys, so patutuyuin ko muna tong layer na ito. And after 5 minutes, you can add 1 more layer para hindi sayang yung mixture natin. And after another 5 minutes, you can add 1 more if you still want to add.
5 minutes later. Woo!
Ayun guys, papatuyin ko na siya in full, and after this, babalik ako sa inyo. Everybody needs inspiration. Charing. Ang daming baliw na baliw sa kantang yan ngayon, di ba? Cause there is no guarantee. Oh, ayaw talaga magpaawat. You appear just like a dream to me, just like kaleidoscope colors that cover me, all I need. Ano yun? Gawa-gawa na lang lyrics, no? Ayun guys, reminder lang, medyo masala na siya pag nagsasalita kasi napakabanat na niya. Make sure na before kayo maligo or before nyo siya bandawan, dapat dry na dry siya para ma-maximize natin yung benefits ng mask sa ating face. Mas ma-feel natin yung tightening process na kung saan doon mag-shrink ang ating mga pores and mas makita natin yung brightening effect. Gusto nyo yun?
A few moments later.
So ayun guys, napaka-dry na ng mask sa aking face. Very ano na siya tight ngayon. Ang hirap magsalita. So mafe-feel mo siya na okay na siya or very dry. Pag ginaganon mo yung face mo, ayan, sama-sama lahat ng parts ng face mo. And then, parang meron siyang nakabalot na cellophane, diba? Parang ganon. Ayun, so ayan, diba? Yun siya. So, you can really see that it's working. One tip pala guys, when you take a bath or when you wash it off, huwag nyo na siyang sabunan. Hindi necessary na sabunan nyo siya kasi number one, hindi siya malangsa. Kasi the coffee eliminated the stinky smell. Kung magsasabon ka, very light lang or very madali lang after natanggal na yung mask sa iyong face. So, ayun guys, babalikan ko lang kayo kasi ako'y maliligo na at medyo naglalagkit na yung katawan ko dahil ng init sa Pilipinas. Hello guys, and I'm back and I just finished taking a bath. And pasensya na kung medyo maingay na sa labas kasi ang dami nang nakakape sa umaga. Charot. Anyway guys, ito na yung pinaka-effect ng mask sa aking face. And I know you cannot really compare kasi I've been doing this personally for quite some time already. But if you want to know what I'm exactly talking about, you better try this. And I highly recommend you to do this every day para mas makita niyo yung better results, especially kung may mga blackheads, whiteheads, or blemishes kayo. And ako dati, ang dami kong dark spots on my face because I had the worst acne. And ngayon, medyo naglighten na siya because of, number one, the mask that I've been applying on my face. And ayun siya guys, napaka-fresh natin sa umaga and it will really last for hours. Alright guys, so I hope that you got something from this video. If that's so, please give me likes and share this video to your friends. And if you have further questions or skincare related questions or you want to know more beauty secrets from me, then please comment down below. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you on my next one. Keep slaying. Bye bye!